Hey everyone, if you're staring at that frustrating error code F01 on your Kenmore dryer, especially on the 2025 models, you're not alone. This error often signals a problem with the control board or wiring, but the good news is, you might be able to fix it yourself with a few simple steps. I'm here to guide you through it quickly and safely, so let's dive in and get your dryer back up and running in no time. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your dryer from the wall outlet before starting any repairs to avoid electrical shocks or accidents. Once that's done, give it about 5 minutes to fully discharge any residual power. Step 1. Start with a basic reset. Unplugging the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes can clear temporary glitches. Plug it back in and see if the error code disappears. If it does, great, you're done. But if not, move on. Step 2. Inspect the power cord and outlet. Make sure the cord is securely plugged in and not damaged. Try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out any issues there. Sometimes, it's as simple as a faulty connection. Step 3. If the error persists, you'll need to access the control panel. Carefully remove the top panel of your dryer by unscrewing it. Refer to your user manual for the exact steps on your model. Once inside, look for any loose wires connected to the control board. Step 4. Gently secure any loose wires you find, and check for any visible signs of damage like burnt spots or corrosion. If everything looks okay, clean the board lightly with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust, which can cause malfunctions. Step 5. Reassemble the dryer, plug it back in, and run a test cycle. If the error is gone, you've nailed it. But if it keeps showing up, it might indicate a more serious issue with the control board itself. In that case, it's time to call in a professional technician or contact Kenmore support. Remember, attempting complex repairs without expertise could void your warranty. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home fixes. Let's keep your appliances running smoothly.